In this video, we are going to talk about the Invest in AI Stocks for Beginners. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping the stock trading landscape by utilizing computing power to do tasks that mimic human logic and experience at a high degree. AI and machine learning, ML, result in fewer errors due to automated processes and rules that reduce computational human error while lowering the need for humans to spend hours performing activities. Many AI technologies can process massive amounts of freely available data in datasets. These databases are then applied to real-time data, resulting in accurate forecasting and trading. One of the primary ways AI is disrupting the stock trading sector is through the introduction of bots. These machines make judgments faster and with fewer errors, resulting in increased profitability. Here, briefly describe the Invest in AI Stocks for Beginners. Let's start. Number 1. Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas, which is an excellent stock trading programmer supported by an extraordinarily skilled team of financial technology entrepreneurs and developers, is at the top of our list of the best AI stock trading bots. The company's own team of US developers constructed the system from the ground up, and its server links directly to the exchanges. The system monitors every single tick and compares current behavior to previous behavior in real time. The AI stock trading bot setup is made up of a number of investment algorithms that help users enhance their trading. Trade Ideas was created for investors of all levels of expertise. Beginners can learn quickly and start with simulated training and practice sessions, whereas intermediate traders can build on their skills with pre-built trading platforms. Artificial intelligence trading management technologies. Experts may fully customize their trade strategy and use AI to improve them with Trade Ideas. For intraday trade management, the company's AI Holly bot gives statistically weighted entry signals and exit signals, depending on different risk management. Trade Ideas also provides full quote windows, which make it simple to comprehend a stock's price by displaying a window with all of the fundamental data that contributes to the stock's price, as well as custom layouts, which allow you to customize your channels or select a predefined layout. Number 2. TrendSpider. TrendSpider's unique machine learning technology and stock market platform enable advanced automatic technical analysis. The stock analysis program is intended for all types of investors, from day traders to long-term investors. TrendSpider's patented algorithm searches through past market data to identify Forex market trends. It sends these trends to human traders, who utilize the knowledge to make effective and lucrative deals. TrendSpider's trading bots can assist you in transforming your approach into a fully automated, position-aware bot capable of performing nearly any task. Before deploying your approach as a trading bot, you must first tone and refine it utilizing the platform's approach tester. When specified circumstances from your strategy are met, trading bots will automatically initiate an event. This means that a trading bot may be programmed to publish to a private Discord server or to activate an order routing system to place trades in a brokerage or exchange account. Trading bots are very configurable and adaptable, which means they may be tailored to your specific approach. They operate on any timescale ranging from 15 minutes to indefinite, never expire, and are driven by a cloud-based technology. TrendSpider's all-in-one platform, in addition to trading bots, provides scanning and screening for better trade setups, smart charts that save time, dynamic price alerts that improve trade timing, and much more. Number 3. SignalStack. SignalStack is a quick, easy, and straightforward solution to convert any trading platform alert into an executed order in any brokerage account. Automatically, SignalStack equalizes the playing field by enabling you to automate your orders in the same manner as hedge funds do. This is a high availability, high reliability enterprise platform. It is intended to process signals from any external system and turn them into live orders within a brokerage account. This is technology that retail traders did not previously have access to. Number 4. StockHero. Stock Hero, a multifunctional platform that provides a simulated paper exchange to allow you to test your approach risk-free, is near the top of the list. You may quickly deploy your bot into the real world after you are satisfied with the results. Bots may be created, tested, and deployed in minutes with no coding required. Among the choices available are connect API keys in order to trade on several exchanges. There is a web interface as well as an iOS or Android app. Backtesting is offered in 6 distinct timeframes: 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Stock Hero makes use of candlestick data from their separate brokerages. Each candlestick's trade signal is assessed. Because the platform uses a cloud-based stock trading bot platform, it boosts speed and lowers potential lag with time-sensitive trades. The Stock Hero Bots marketplace is the most essential, a revolutionary marketplace that strives to make it simple for consumers new to the field of automated trading and Slash or Stock Hero to immediately take advantage of high-performing stock trading bots. These bots are designed by seasoned traders. Number 5. Tickerin. Tickerin is an illustration. Tickerin, an innovative platform that offers a wide range of AI trading possibilities, is another top option for an AI stock trading bot. You may examine purchased and sold trades with potential profit and stop loss in real time thanks to the platform's AI robots. Every minute, the AI robots scan stocks and ETFs and offer them in a customized field. You can change the tickers in the list, and the AI robot will check them for trading opportunities based on real-time patterns. iRobots also run automated trading rooms in which the AI conducts trades based on many neural networks. Tickerin has a number of cool features, such as AI trend forecasting. The platform's AI trend prediction engine uses historical price data to forecast changing market trends and gives a confidence level so you can assess the likelihood of success for each forecasted trend. Users can also customize their confidence levels on the platform. Individuals who are more risk-cautious can employ more proven procedures because each user can specify a minimum confidence level for AI-recognized trends and patterns. Number 6. Ebot. Ebot is an example of a robot. Ebot, which leverages IBM Watson to offer an effective AI investment platform that helps users make wiser decisions, is another excellent option for an AI stock trading bot. Ebot is notable for combining data from ETFs and AI, which it then processes to deliver detailed analytics and alerts. Ebot also scans social media events and does random studies of news stories from around the world to keep you up to date on the newest financial news. The software can also learn your preferences over time, which means you will save time by not having to teach the program how to operate. Number 7. Imperative execution. Imperative execution collects information on financial exchanges, particularly those involving U.S. equities. Intelligent Cross U.S. Equities ATS, the first venue to employ AI to optimize trading performance, is the organization's parent business. To improve market efficiency, the platform optimizes price discovery while minimizing market effect. The Intelligence Cross tool matches orders at discrete times and within microseconds of arrival, allowing for better price discovery. The A-Spin Adverse Selection Protection Engine technology, which functions as a bid/offer book, is also available in imperative execution. There is also the IQX data feed, which provides an in-depth view of all Aspen executions. Number 8. Algoriz. Algoriz, which is near the bottom of our list, is an AI software that allows you to easily build, backtest, and automate trading strategies in equities and cryptocurrencies. The user-friendly interface connects you to many data suppliers and supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and a variety of other currency. You may also safely connect your broker account to Algoriz to automate your trading algorithms and construct strategies using only broker data or data from Algoriz's vendors. The platform is an excellent choice for those with less programming skills because it provides users with a simulated matching engine to test various methods. It supports approximately 10,000 different Algoriz-created and tested techniques. Number 9. Kvaut. Kvaut, an innovative AI investing platform, rounds out our list of the best AI stock trading bots. The platform's heart is Kai, an AI system that analyzes millions of data points, filings, and stock quotes. To deliver the most accurate image, the AI also analyzes news, blogs, and social media channels. The software processes the data using a number of financial and technical models, such as classification, regression, and others. The data are compiled into a prediction ranking for stocks and other assets by the software. One of Kavout's extra features is a paper trading portfolio, which allows you to test investment methods before utilizing real money. Number 10. Scans. Scans is a market scanning platform that is all-in-one for day traders and swing traders. It is a robust tool that allows users to quickly scan the whole stock market. The platform's purpose is to send a steady stream of real-time trade possibilities. Users can quickly scan a combination of over 100 price, volume, technical, and fundamental elements, or choose a pre-built scan prepared by the Scans trading team for a more hands-off approach. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.